to the white, the black goes to the black. And we will get this one taken down and then this one set up, and I'll show you what it looks like. It is a little dark in here, but we're gonna go ahead and get this down, and then we will be right back and start setting up the new one. All right, so we got it connected here. You might need an extra hand just to get the wires connected, but you match the color of the wires, and then you simply screw, there's a nut and bolt right under these lights, and you just line up the screws, screw the nut and bolt in, like I showed before with the screws. Really like this light, really bright. You can see how different it is in my room. I absolutely love it.